right, let us solve this proportional equation right here. All right, first thing first is I will do is simplify this fraction right here to 1 over 4. Okay, so our new proportional equation is going to be now 3 over x plus 1 equals x over 4. All right, now the next step is we're going to cross multiply it here. X plus 1 times x plus 1 times x. Okay, and here will be 12 equals 12. Once we do this, we're going to go ahead and simplify this further. Equals x squared plus x. Okay, here we apply the distributive property. All right, now what I'll do is I'll put the x squared plus x over here and the 12 over here. Now this is a quadratic equation, which we're going to have to set this to 0. Here we're going to shift the 12 right over here, which would be minus 12 equal 0. Now quadratic equation, we can solve it by creating two binomial factors here. Set that to 0. All right, set that to 0 right here, and then we're gonna have x in each one. Now here there's a 12 here, negative 12. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do plus 4 and negative 3. Why is that? Because positive 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. However, positive 4 added to negative 3 is positive 1. There's a 1 here. Okay, so it has to meet these two requirements. All right, next we're just going to solve here for x. We'll solve here for this x right here by adding 3 on both sides. Okay, x equals 3. All right, and then the last one right here, which is x plus 4 equals 0. We're going to minus 4 on both sides. And x equals negative 4. So our two solutions right now is 4, negative 4, and 3. Now, this is a fraction here. So we have to make sure that we don't have any extraneous solutions here. So we're going to test it out. Negative 4 plus 1. Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. So this denominator is negative 3. Nothing affects over here. What if we did 3 here? 3 minus 1 is 2. Denominator will be 2. So these are the solutions. They're not extraneous. And that's all, folks.